By the provisions of the new law, the Benue State Community Volunteer Guards can therefore now carry legally approved weapons, which we have duly provided and we will provide. In addition, given the fact that the federal government has consistently failed to disarm the Fulani terrorists who have consistently maimed, killed our people at will, the state government is going to apply for license to legally procure AK-47, AK-49, and other explosives and other sophisticated weapons for Benue State Volunteer Guards to enable them tackle these murderous activities effectively. Yes, we believe in the rule of law. We are law-abiding, and so we are going to apply to the president to ensure that since they cannot disarm Fulani Herdsmen with AK-47 and AK-49 and other explosives and other sophisticated weapons, they should also oblige us. President Muhammadu Buhari must also give us license to fight this evil that is going on in our society. To this, effectively, the Benue State government had approved a 2-week capacity building program for the 500 personnel of the community volunteer guards to learn some basic paramilitary aspects. The training, which began on the 29th June 2022 with 500 participants drawn from the 23 local government areas and the 3 senatorial districts, ended up on the 12th July 2022. A date for batch 2 would also be announced as soon as possible. This August, the batch 2 of the community volunteer guards will be recruited and trained in the same manner that we have done. And we shall continue to engage our people who are from the communities, because we are not willing to surrender our land to terrorist Fulani men. We are ready to fight them headlong. It is better we fight them with the last pint of our blood. We are not going to allow them. Those who are coming to lay siege on us and attack us, it is a matter of time. One day is for the owner. Several days can be for the criminals and thieves. But I tell you that one day they will also meet us, and we are ready to confront them.